So I've just been trying to build a plugin using the WordPress plugin Boilerplate 3.0 from Tom McFarlane, and there's not much online that actually shows you exactly what to do, so I thought I'd put this video up there to help others. So this is the repository, the WordPress plugin Boilerplate. I cloned this down onto my computer, and then I actually installed it on a live server as well, and I was using Git to transfer backwards and forwards. But here's the steps I followed. First, you can actually go to this website here, which is wppb.me, which is the kind of an automatic tool that compiles the boilerplate and sets up all the files with the right names and alters all the variables. So you can just enter your details and click build, and then you'll get a zip download. Then once you've installed it, I should be able to go here to my IDE. So in the IDE, first of all, as long as you've downloaded it from that page, then it should have set up all the parameters. And the first thing I was trying to do is just set up an admin page, which looks something like this at the moment. Very simple, and it's just got a link on the side. It's got a menu option on the side. So let's go back to the code. So in the code, the first stop is in the includes folder. So this is the structure that you'll see. There's these files here, and you want to go to the includes folder, and you want to go to the what's called the class plugin name, but it's here. It's been changed to my plugin name, which is Recipe Builder. So class and the recipe or the plugin name .php, and then down on line 153 1 to 156, you can actually add the following code, which is a hook to this add action here is not actually the standard WordPress add action. This is a custom add action. It's a shim that's been added in to sort of give extra functionality to the original WordPress add action. But you can just add this line here, and that will basically call the display admin page function from within the admin class. So if we go and find that where I've put that, so this is the hook. It's calling the display admin page function, and if we go over there, if we go into admin, and if you go to this file here, which is class plugin name admin.php, it's the only real PHP file in that admin directory. And you'll see down here I've added two functions at the end. So starting at about line 102, I just added all of this section in myself. And what I've done is I've done the two public functions. The first one has the standard hook, which or action, which is add menu page. Which the other option you could have is there's actually a series of different options that you can use. If I go, hang on. I go here, you can see some of them. Nope, maybe not. Yes, here. So the page, this is administration menus in the WordPress codex, and you can actually see some of the different hooks and the different actions that you can use. So let's go back to the code. So here's the code that I added with these parameters, which is the name that's going to appear on the menu, and then this is just if you're doing object-oriented programming as this boilerplate is, then you can just do array reference this and the function name that you're referencing, which is down here, this show page, and this 3.0, this decimal or this float is basically referencing position 3 on the menu. The first option on the menu, I think, is position 1, and the second one is position 4, I think, but you can look that up. But so if you put it as position 3, it will come up as the second option down, and giving it a decimal just makes it more explicit in case other people decide to add things later. And then this public function show page, this basically I've done include the plugins URL to basically reference the plugins directory, and then I've put this URL here. Let me show this full URL here. and that references inside the partial subdirectory here. So that you can go down and you can alter this file here, and basically I've just added some HTML, and this HTML will appear on your admin page here. So that's how I built the first step of just adding an admin page using the WordPress plugin Boilerplate 3.0 from Tom McFarlane. There you go.